Hello everyone. Let's now move towards another hairstyle. It's best suited for the long length hair. First you just have to take the upper portion of your hair and tie it up using the rubber band at the proper position as apparent on your screens. Once you have tied up the rubber band at the center, as you can see, just comb the rest of the hair. You can just loosen the each strand from the upper direction so that it will give a bouncy type of the look, add some of the volume and create a somewhat messy type of the look, and you are done. Now let's focus towards our next step. You just have to take some of the strands from both left and the right side and comb them properly. Once you are done with this, just fix it at the proper position using the simple rubber band as shown here. You can see how beautifully this hair look looks. Now give it an internal twist so that a good look is to be created. Now see, we are going to take the two ponies that we have created by just fixing the rubber bands at two different positions of the head, and see how I'm trying to make this simple hairdo. Now keep the hair open. Let's move towards the another hairstyle. This one is also very simple. It's best suitable for the long length hair. You just have to take the two strands from the two different sides and fix them at the proper position using the simple rubber band. After that, you just have to give it an internal twist that's apparent on your screens. Now I'm taking some portion of the hair from the left side. As you can see, I'm just trying to fix it towards the right side so that I'm using this type of the tool. You can even fix it at the proper position without using any other tool. You can make use of your hands for doing this type of the activity. Now I will take some portion of the hair from the right side and will convert it into the classical braid as apparent on your screens. This one is very simple, very easy. You can definitely give it a try. Once your braid is complete, you just have to fix it at the proper position over the bun using the bobby pin, or we can say bun juda pin. Now decorate with fancy hairpins. Let's move towards the another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the long length hair. First you just have to take the hair from the two different ends and using the rubber band give them the internal twist. Now again I am taking some of the hair, but here you just have to keep one thing in mind. You don't have to take the two strands and place them at the center. Just take them towards the ends, like first one from the right and second one from the left. After that, see, I am losing some of the hair. You can see how I have tried to create a messy and give some of the volume and bounce to your hair. Leftover hair is converted into the classical braid and fix it at the proper position using Juda pin. Let's move towards our another project. For this one, I am taking the hair from the two ends and fixing them at the proper position using the rubber band. After that, it's the time to give the internal twist for the lower pony that we have again created by taking some of the hair from both the strands. Now we are going to mix both ponytails together and convert them into the hair braid as apparent on your screens. Now your braid is ready. Now you just have to fold it and fix it at the proper position, that's the bunny position, using this pin. This hairstyle was very simple, it's very easy, it's best suitable for the office going girls. Thank you for watching our videos.